graced this occasion. And as we capture on your screens moments of these memories, these leaders will take back with them these memories too, captured for posterity.
भूटान के प्रधानमंत्री माननीय लोटे शेरिंग,
Dr. Lothe Tshering, Prime Minister of Bhutan.
नेपाल के माननीय प्रधानमंत्री केपी शर्मा ओली,
Mr. Oli is the 38th Prime Minister of Nepal and one of our closest neighbors in terms of relationships.
मॉरिशस के माननीय प्रधानमंत्री प्रविंद कुमार जगन्नाथ,
As a founding member of BIMSTEC, India remains committed to deepening cooperation within BIMSTEC, and regarding BIMSTEC as a gateway to the seas of the littoral states, as well as access to the landlocked member countries, Bhutan and Nepal. And as collaboration is the best way for any country to progress, BIMSTEC is a natural choice to fulfill our foreign policy.
बिम्स्टेक देशों के प्रमुख और मॉरिशस के प्रधानमंत्री और किर्गिस्तान के राष्ट्रपति आज के इस ऐतिहासिक अवसर पर हमारे मेहमान रहे। इन सभी देशों से हमारे रिश्ते बड़े पुराने और गहरे हैं।
The President of Kyrgyzstan, His Excellency Mr. Shoronoboy Jivenkov. He is also the current chair of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization.
श्रीलंका के राष्ट्रपति माननीय मैत्रीपाला सिरिसेना,
The pearl drop in the Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka. Beautiful country, warm people, represented here today by Mr. Maithripala Sirisena, the President of Sri Lanka.
बिम्स्टेक देशों में दुनिया की लगभग 22% आबादी रहती है। इन देशों की संयुक्त जीडीपी $3 ट्रिलियन को छूने जा रही है। बांग्लादेश के राष्ट्रपति माननीय मोहम्मद अब्दुल हामिद,
Bangladesh, a neighboring country, we have strong cultural and linguistic and ethnic ties with.
India and Bangladesh share over 4,000 kilometers of borders, which are the longest land boundary that India shares with any of its neighbors.
दुनिया में बिम्स्टेक देशों का ये समूह अपनी समान संस्कृति, मूल्यों और जीवन जीने के तरीकों से अपने भविष्य को मिलकर संवारने की दिशा में एक महत्वपूर्ण मंच है।
Absolutely. Old friendships being renewed and new ones being formed. The world today is closer than it ever was, and no country can grow and prosper in isolation. India has always endeavored to forge international friendships. Modi ji has taken this tradition to higher levels. We see this in full measure in the presence of the heads of state of BIMSTEC countries and the President of Kyrgyzstan and the Prime Minister of Mauritius.
An opportunity to bring together like-minded countries with a common commitment to peace, prosperity, and the development of their people. Many of them with shared heritage, all of them with shared values and shared ways of life. Occasions like this are a natural platform to build a common future.
And this photo op with the heads of state and their spouses.
हमारे बारे में कहा जाता है कि हम भारतीय भावुक होते हैं और ये सच भी है। हम जब भावनात्मक रूप से जुड़ते हैं तो पूरी तरह से जुड़ते हैं, इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं, कोई संशय नहीं, और हम समर्थन भी पूरा देते हैं।
So as dusk sets in and the protocols and formalities of the latter part of the evening take over, there is surely a sense of responsibility that rests on these elected shoulders. Mr. Modi's words of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas and Sabka Vishwas now need to pan out pan-India. Together we grow, together we prosper.